Okay, Woody, come on. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Go on. Where are you? Huh? Oh, there you are. Ah, girl. Oh boy, sorry. That's a good boy, Woody. Uh-oh, who's that? That's Wilhelmina flying around my head here, Woody. It's your wife. Oh, look who's on my picnic table. Oh boy. You looking for a peanut, buddy? I think we had rules about not being on the table. Uh-oh, you brought your cousin too. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. You guys, I don't mind if you both come up. Over here, come here. Come on. Oh. Alright, I've had enough fun here. I think I'm gonna go take a nap.